Good morning again.
So, we're on Anook 67 Buick. First order of business, we're going to pressure test the cooling system, but look at how icky it is in there.
It's definitely better than John's. That is without a doubt.
Yep. It's a 3-row. It's better, but it's still icky.
Yep.
I mean, this would definitely be something that needs some Gary love as well. All right, so pressure. Get your Swedish made, you know what, on there. Ship manager. Birdsy with donuts? Where's your shirt?
We is styling today.
Get that on. Pump up the jams. What we got?
Just can't have that one.
Oh, you whore. Then I'll take this one.
I can take it, Doc. 80 PSI.
That's what you're into, eh?
Leave it at noon.
Okay.
Brother's got a game.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. She's calling me on the way over there.
All right, we're at 15 right on the nose.
Okay. Let's look for leaks, boys.
We got a leak on this one, too?
We're just checking.
We don't know. We're just double checking because we are inspecting this one today.
I've offered one. Ooh, 2 over there. I want yours. Exact Greenfield is for you.
All right. I do see a little oil leak at the oil pressure sensor.
Yeah, they weren't sure if she got me back to freshen or if she was in JV, and she just called me.
Nice.
So I was up.
Well, I don't see anything leaking. What about you guys?
There's a leak somewhere.
Yeah, it is down a little on pressure.
Well, we got water over here.
Let me see.
You can't miss it. Now where or what, I don't know.
Oh, that's down there.
Yep.
Oh. Looks like... Where is that coming from?
That's a really good question.
That's 2. It's this bypass hose. It's leaking out the bypass hose and then running down there. It's hard to see it, but that's what it's doing. All right, well, that's not too bad. But this radiator definitely would probably go. Oh, hey, look, Burnsy's dressed now. What did you get him, like a 7X?
Jeez.
Hey!
Oh,
A 3.
it's only a 3, okay?
You ain't got much to say, bitch. You had a 2.
I know, but it's big. I could wear it 1X.
Which I don't know how. He looks bigger than me. It's because he's shorter.
Anyway. So, alright, we found the leak in the radiator. Definitely needs to probably go get cleaned up by Gary at some point. But other than that, we're looking pretty good, boys.
Mm-hmm.
340.
This thing is in really, really good shape.
Chevy made a 340?
Mm-hmm.
I thought that was a Dodge thing.
This is a Buick, though.
And Buick back in the day, granted it was a subsidiary of GM.
They all made their
Still had
own.
its own division at the time.
They all made their own motors.
Nice oil leak.
Yep, there's a nice oil leak right here, too. At the low pressure sender. And this valve cover is a little icky. See anything else? Looks like it was, the carb was leaking and then they rebuilt it, so
Yeah.
it looks pretty decent.
Needs a little adjustment.
Had a coolant leak over here.
At some point.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is gonna go on the lift. And Burnsy, you're on the job on inspecting, sir.
Oh, yeah?
Oh,
yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, puppy.
Wow, look at that. The oil coming out of the breather.
Yep. And valve cover gasket. Take a look.
Oh, yeah. All right, so valve cover gaskets on the list. Okay, this breather, we probably need to clean them out. They need to do blow-by for sure. Check it out. And Might have a lot of blow by, but we can do that. We can probably compression test it too if we need to.
Yeah.
All right, so let's get her on the lift and check it. Looks like that master leaked at some point and they replaced it.
On that note, what do you say, Boinsy?
Deuces!